Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy Array Attributes. Today, we're going to explore the nbytes attribute, which helps us understand memory consumption in NumPy arrays. This is an essential skill for writing efficient Python code and managing system resources effectively. The nbytes attribute is a property of NumPy arrays that tells us exactly how much memory our array is consuming. Specifically, it returns the total number of bytes used by all the elements stored in the array. This is different from the array's size or shape. It gives us the actual memory footprint in bytes. The calculation behind nbytes is straightforward. It equals the array size multiplied by item size. In other words, we take the total number of elements in the array and multiply it by how many bytes each individual element occupies. This formula applies to all NumPy arrays, regardless of their dimensions or data type. Let's look at a practical example. We import NumPy and create a simple one-dimensional array containing 5 integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When we access the nbytes attribute and print it, we get 40. This means our array consumes exactly 40 bytes of memory. Let's break down why we got 40 bytes. Our array contains 5 elements. Each element is stored as an int 64 data type, which takes up 8 bytes. When we multiply 5 elements by 8 bytes per element, we get 40 bytes total. This matches exactly what nbytes reported. Memory consumption varies significantly based on data type. Here we create 2 arrays with 3 elements each. The first uses int32, which takes 4 bytes per element, giving us 12 bytes total. The second uses float64, taking 8 bytes per element, resulting in 24 bytes. Same number of elements, but different memory footprints due to different data types. The nbytes attribute works perfectly with multidimensional arrays too. Here we have a 2-dimensional array with 2 rows and 3 columns, giving us 6 elements total. Each element is 8 bytes as an int64. 6 elements times 8 bytes equals 48 bytes. Notice that nbytes counts all elements regardless of the array's shape or number of dimensions. Let's recap the important points. First, nbytes shows us the total memory consumption of our array in bytes. Second, it's calculated by multiplying the number of elements by the bytes per element. And third, the result varies based on the data type we choose. Understanding nbytes helps us write more memory-efficient code and make informed decisions about data types in our NumPy applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.